For the past few weeks, I've been working on a personal project. I wanted a lightweight Windows desktop utility that could scan a folder of audio files, pull the BPM and Key data, and export it cleanly without bloating my system or forcing me to upload my tracks to a cloud server. I built a tool called OnCue Point, and today I'm releasing version 1.0 for free so you can play with it. There are two reasons I decided to write my own code for this. First, I wanted absolute privacy. I don't like uploading unreleased tracks or custom edits to random websites just to extract data. Second, I hated when utility apps froze up and hit not responding while working. OnCue Point runs entirely on your local CPU. I spent a lot of time writing a multi-threaded engine for this, so the UI stays smooth and gives you a live countdown clock while it works. You can see it here, going through a small folder of 6 songs. Each song is analyzed and you get the key of the song, written in pitch letter notation, or also the corresponding harmonic key, which is what most DJs use for mixing and matchups. You also get the beat per minute for each song that's analyzed. Let's do a quick walkthrough. It's a simple dual tab layout. Tab 1 is your audio analyzer, tab 2 is your tag inspector. Again, really quick, I'm going to load in a standard folder of tracks right here. You can see the clock starting to tick down. Now, to be completely transparent, I've tested this on my usual day-to-day folders, and it handles them great, but I haven't thrown a massive track archive at it yet. Part of why I'm releasing this for free is because I need your help to stress test it and see where it breaks. You can download it for free at my Gumroad store. The link is in the description. It would be great if you can test it out. Let me know if this is an app you want me to further develop. Give suggestions. If you want to leave a tip, that's more than welcome. But like I said before, it's completely free. Go ahead and head over to the Gumroad store. Please, read the full description. I included some additional information in the description that I did not include here to keep the video short. If you like this product, leave a like, subscribe, tell your friends. Help me get the word out. I love to develop this app into a full-fledged pro app.